Former Migori Governor Okoth Obado has been found guilty of murder of former Rongo University student Sharon Otieno, bringing to a close an 8-year trial. The High Court also convicted his former personal assistant Michael Juma Oyamo and former Migori County Clerk Caspal Obiero of the offense of murder. The verdict comes as a long-awaited moment for Sharon's family, who have pursued justice since her brutal killing in September 2018. We begin tonight with NTV's Victor Ngaruya.
Eight years after the brutal murder of Sharon Otieno shocked the nation, the High Court has found former Migori Governor Okoth Obado and his two co-accused guilty of murder.
I consequently find each accused person guilty of the offense of murder, contrary to Section 203 of the Penal Code.
In a detailed judgment, Justice Cecilia Gedua held that Obado supplied the motive, inspiration, and financial support for the criminal enterprise. Oyamo facilitated its execution, while Obiero provided logistical support and helped conceal the offense.
It is clear that the evidence adduced by the prosecution in this case demonstrated and left no doubt that the accused persons acted in concert, jointly with others not before the court, pursuant to a common design.
The court further ruled that although Obado was purported not physically present in Migori County when Sharon was killed, that did not shield him from criminal culpability. The judge also pointed into inconsistencies in the defense case, observing that the explanations offered by the accused failed to displace the prosecution's evidence.
The evidence on record irresistibly points to the fact that the accused persons with malice aforethought unlawfully caused the death of Sharon at the material time. It is therefore my finding that the prosecution has proved its case against the first, the second, and the third accused persons beyond any reasonable doubt.
The case traces back to September 3rd, 2018, when Sharon Otieno, who was then a 26-year-old Rongo University student, was abducted alongside a journalist after leaving a hotel in Rongo. The journalist is said to have escaped by jumping from the moving vehicle transporting them, but Sharon was driven away. Her body was discovered the following day in a thicket near Kodera Forest in Homa Bay County. A post-mortem conducted by government chief pathologist Johansen Odor revealed that Sharon died from excessive bleeding after being stabbed 8 times. She had sustained 3 stab wounds to the back of her neck, 4 to her back, and 1 to the left side of her abdomen. The examination also revealed strangulation marks on her neck and injuries, suggesting she struggled with her attackers before she died. The post-mortem further established that Sharon was 28 weeks pregnant. Obado admitted he was the father of the unborn child, but denied any role in her murder, maintaining throughout the trial that he had accepted responsibility for the pregnancy and was planning to build her a home. During Thursday's ruling, the prosecution sought the cancellation of the current bond terms, a request the court allowed. Justice Gedua cancelled the bond terms of all 3 convicted persons and ordered that they be remanded in custody. She further directed that pre-sentence reports and victim impact assessment reports be prepared and filed within 21 days before being shared with all parties. The matter will be mentioned on August 18, 2026, ahead of sentencing. Nearly 8 years after Sharon Otieno's life was brutally cut short, a case that gripped the nation and sparked widespread debate on justice and violence against women has finally reached its conclusion. Today's verdict marks what the family and the lawyers term as justice served. Victor Ngaruya, NTV, at the Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.